How to get a CPS case dismissed in the state of California? Well, during an investigation, the best way is to make sure you contact the California CPS defense lawyer to see what are they investigating. What should you say? What shouldn't you say? Is there an alternative mean to prevent the case from being open, like a voluntary family maintenance? Meaning that they keep the children or child in your care and there's a safety plan in place and you do classes or you show cooperation with the social worker to show them, or to the department, to show them that there's no safety concern, or to prove to them there's no safety concern. But this action must be taken immediately in the very beginning to show them. But it all depends on the allegation. It all depends on what case we're dealing with. Now, if this case is not dealing with investigation and dealing with an active CPS case in court, then the best way is to contact California CPS defense lawyer to see why this case opened, to see what is the issue, to see what is the basis for the allegation. Do they have enough evidence by the legal standard? Is there some hearsay that can be excluded? Essentially, hearsay meaning that information that's in there and they're not going to be used to testify. It's out of court statement that's going to be utilized to support their case. Are they non-parties or are they parties? That's very significant. Are they experts or are they non-expert? That's very significant. Are they in the law enforcement field or non-law enforcement? That's also significant as well too, as it relates to potential hearsay that can be excluded from the case. What's the overall context of the case? What's the overall goal? And if they find the allegations true, assuming that the allegation cannot be dismissed, then the next step is to figure out on how to resolve the issue and why the case opened in the first place. At Charlotte Law Firm, we're here to help and guide you so you can succeed and reunify as quickly as possible. Call us.